Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Today, well, you notice there's nothing on my desk to build. That's because we've had a request from several viewers that's emailed me and messaged me that they want to see the vault. And I think we'll show some of my office too while we're at it and some of the neat trinkets I have. Well, if you're interested, stay tuned. We'll be right back. We'll go into the vault. Okay, well, let's go ahead and look around here. Let's head over to the vault. All right, we'll head here out of my office. We'll come back and look at that in just a minute. Here we go, open the door. This. Ta-da! Here we go, look at this stuff. This is all my collection. These are all brand new. All the way up there. You see all that stuff? I'll zoom in on a few. It's my Coca-Cola ones. Now here's the Holy Grail section. The Johann vintage stuff. And they go all the way back into that corner. They are all brand new. As you can see, the police cars. These are one of my favorites too. I'm getting low. I have to get some more of them. And there's my Pacers and some of the other things. Right there. I really like these Valaris, as you can tell. And Pacers. Good stuff there. I really like the Dodge Vans. Some more vintage there. We'll move this guy out of the way. You can see back in there. There's one of them new Mustangs. Another A-Team van. That's brand new. Some Volkswagens. That's a vintage kit. That's brand new too. All this stuff here. Then we'll go down here, lower level. These are all new. All this stuff. These are all my Salvino stuff. And some Tamiya stuff back there. Goes onto the floor. And then we'll look here, some of this stuff here. I'll zoom in on a few of these. All the way up there. I really like these Novas. This one here is a bag one that I bought. It had a 6-cylinder engine in it. So there's some more of them Novas. That. And then there's some vintage Mustangs. Bought a few of them Broncos. I really like that Ford Galaxy, as you can tell. I got a lot of those. There's the Coca-Cola stuff. There. Another van on top. I really like those vans. And way up there is a Johann Cadillac. Some neat stuff. Right? Very neat stuff. We'll go over here to the Johann cars. Right here. And then these boxes here, these are resin kits. All right, I think we'll go back in my office. We'll take a look at some of that stuff. Hang on. Let's see, here's some of my stuff here that I've got collections of. This is an original Johann box. It's uncut. It's the printer's master. So that's very rare, of a very rare kit to boot. And then Round 2 Models recently sent me this. This is a autographed copy by the artist that did the artwork on that kit, the Pinto. Really cool stuff. They were nice and sent me that over. There's original Volkswagen kit. A Revell penny pincher. Now this one over here, this MX, is actually autographed by Shirley Sheehan, the Dragon Lady. That's a brand new kit too. That Javelin. TJ Hooker. Another Volkswagen up there. A promo Johann Maverick. And then these are some of them that I built. that. Ford Galaxy Falcon combo. That's a neat kit. I got another one in the vault over there. And then here is some of the police cars I like. Some of the collectibles. Old can of paint. My fire apparatus crew. And you've seen a couple of those on my video. The van and that Pinto wagon. And a little hot rod. And some police cars. There's another one from the video, that green cab. There's some police cars down there. All my Volkswagen kits there. And some literature. Some Bronco and a USA 1 running over an old car back there. And you've seen these from the video. The Chevelle and the Aqua Rod van and boat. Pretty cool. Let's go in the office. There's a few more. I turn on that on-air sign so the rest of the house stays quiet for me when I have video. Now this is how I put the car on display. I pin the car to the wall with a push pin and put the car on top because I really like the artwork. I enjoy doing that. The artwork, I think, is part of the cool part of the model. Some of them from the 80s are kind of boring, but the one that's actually like a painting is really cool stuff. Those Novas you saw in my videos. I did this one with snow on it, like kind of like the box. We'll go over here a little bit. Try to keep it steady for you. Zoom in on a couple of those on top there. You see up there? There's another one of those Monaco police cars. Over there. There's a Hasegawa. It says 66 Impala, but it's actually a 65. There's a Batman vehicle. A vintage Falcon model. There's some up there. Really cool stuff, I think. I hope you're enjoying it. Now, here is an autographed Richard Petty car. It's autographed by Jim Rogers of JR Models, Salvino's JR. And now this one behind it is autographed by the king himself, Richard Petty. It's sealed under elastic. So that's pretty cool. And then right here, this one's signed by Donnie Allison, sealed. That's some of my favorite stuff right there. And there's a couple more cars. It's a Comet. I build all sorts of stuff, not just one make or model. You can tell the stuff I really enjoy. But I build Revell, AMT, MPC, any of that stuff. Johan. There's the one from my very first video, that Cadillac. Here's some vintage ones, and there's some, the Gone in 60 Seconds Mustang. There's a Mustang from one of my videos. That Dodge van is mint. And so is that black Warlock, that other van there. And then here's some of my Chevrolet products. Right there, the 18 van, Pontiac GTO. Over here, some other stuff. There's some big rigs, some Mopar stuff there. There's some box trucks. We'll go up here. There's Dukes of Hazzard stuff. This is all on the top wall now. Go down here. That black car in that photograph used to be mine when I was a teenager. It's a 58 Ford. That station wagon was mine also. Years ago. There's all my Pintos. And we go up here. There's some more build-ups. All the way around. We'll go down here, all the way like that. And then here's some here on table where my paint is stored. We'll go up here, and then this is my NASCAR wall. I really like some of the old NASCARs, especially the 70s and 80s ones. I really enjoy those. I like those. And someone made me this nice banner. Very nice. I don't remember the person who made it for me, but they sent it for me. It was really nice. That magazine has one of my cars in it. Some more builds, NASCARs. Okay, and then we'll go over here. That's my paint booth. Right there, where you see on the videos I paint. Here's some more builds in here. The ones in the boxes are brand new. There's my Volkswagens and whatnot. I know everybody's got spare parts drawers. There's some Salvino's NASCAR parts, extra tires and wheels, miscellaneous just stuff, you know, and there's small parts in those little gray tubs, you know, and then there's parked cars in here. Those are complete cars. They're just like salvage rebuilders. So there's some Salvino's cars. One of my favorite magazines growing up. Some more art. There's the wall again. Well, I hope you enjoyed the little tour of my office and my workstation and the vault. There's some good stuff in there. Please watch for more videos of that stuff and the new kits coming out, like this Bronco that I finished recently. Well, until next time, I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.